Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa. Today, it's just a little video on skincare because I never done like a mask or hair mask or anything, and I just feel like I'm doing one for my hair because it's kind of dry and stuff, and I think I'm gonna re-dye it because I've noticed in my video that I did today, this will be going up later on in the week anyway. But in the video I did with this shirt and everything, you guys already seen, and I have my hair curled. And I need to get the curls out, but I noticed throughout it that I had some blonde spots, so I need to touch them. But I'm gonna be using my Freeman Feeling Beauty Deep Cleaning Mancun. It's some honey and tea tree oil clay mask and cleanser. So I'm gonna use that, and then I made a homemade hair mask that I want to try too, because my hair has been feeling a little dull. But I'm gonna put this all over my face. I did just wet my hair to get the stuff out first. But I haven't done a face mask in a while, and I'm like, why not, since I do YouTube now, and I haven't done one of these before, and I was like, something new. I'm trying to do a lot more different things and stuff. I know a lot of people do face masks and beauty care sites doing their makeup on their channels, and I was like, I'll try one. I don't know how often I would do these because I don't really have a routine. I just wash my face with some really good cleanser, and really don't have a nighttime routine or morning routine or anything like that to tell you guys that I do. I just try to take care of my skin as best as I can, and I seem to go good. I'm just gonna wipe it off because I on my towel. Alright, so there's my face. But if you notice, like back here, you can see I'm getting some blonde action going on. Notice that? I'm like, oh, I don't like that. My hair is crazy. But I did a mixture. It's three things. It's egg, honey, that's the reason why I picked the honey, and apple cider vinegar. And I'm gonna use this comb-like thing just to help get it in to my roots. But I will probably use the measuring spoon I have to help with it, because my hair is very dry at the ends. I'm not going to use that hand because that's the hand I have wound on. I'm not sure how well this stuff would work because I doubled it. It's supposed to be one part each. I'm just trying to get into what I'm going to do is, because here's the mixture. I'm going to dab my hair in. It's kind of like changing colors now because of my green dye. Sorry, they're being loud. I'm in. But yeah, I just needed to put some in my hair and get it feeling soft again. Okay, hold on, let me do something real quick. I'm gonna go over here. I'm like dunking my hair over here. Grab the brush. I'll clean up my mess I made on my desk. I think I actually made a little bit too much. I can just pour out the rest. So I'm going to grab my towel again I used just now and oh, I think it's drippy, and wrap my hair up in it. And I want to leave that in for a few minutes and see how this turns out, okay? So I'll be right back to show you guys what I look like afterwards, okay? So I'll be back in a moment. Okay guys, so here it is. And my hair is still a little wet, but you can see it did make my hair look healthier, but I did strip some of the color, which I'll fix tomorrow. But it doesn't look too bad. And it smells not too bad. My face, pretty clear. I'm going to use some of my 4th Ray Beauty. It's the Remedy. I'm going to use that to put on my face, but yeah. And not too bad for a homemade hair mask. I could probably do like a yogurt one maybe next time. Something like that. But, I'm going to try to do some of these things more often. Probably once or twice out of the month, do one of these kind of things. But I don't know about my hair. I just wanted to try something new and show you guys exactly the stuff. And I have a cat bugging me. She knows when mommy's putting stuff on her face. But yeah. I do hope you guys like this and stuff. And my hair will probably be darker because I don't have the lighter colored ones that are around that I used in the last one. I'm going to try the blue jean in it just a little bit and use a lot of the green and see how that comes out, because it's starting to look teal, more bluish. But yeah, we'll see how that comes out. I want to try to keep the green as much as possible. I really like being my hair green. I like it a lot. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a like down below, leave comments, whatnot. Share any hair care care products or hair masks. I can't say the word right now, I'm sorry. Or any facial stuff you think would be great. Just let me know, okay? But yeah, you can follow me Instagram, Twitter, and my Facebook page. I do try to air 5 times a week, give or take, depends on what's going on. I hope you're all staying safe, and I love you until next time, okay guys? Bye!